meet the time clock feature in Alto's POS and inventory system, which is a simple way to track employee working hours and attendance. Before using the time clock, make sure every employee has a PIN. The PIN is required to clock in and clock out. Now, go to the back office, open Settings, then Features. Turn on the time clock switch and save your changes. That's it, you are ready to start tracking hours. Now, go to the point of sale. On the PIN screen, tap the drop-down arrow. Choose Clock In, then enter your PIN. A pop-up appears. Tap Confirm and your work time begins. When you're done working, clocking out is just as simple. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, select Clock Out, enter your PIN and tap Confirm. Your working hours are saved. Managers can review worked hours anytime. Go to Back Office, then Users. Tap Total Worked Hours to see a summary for each employee. Tap Time Cards to view detailed records. Need to make a change? Tap a time card, adjust the clock in or clock out time and save. You can also add a new time card if needed. Just tap Add Time Card, enter the details and save. Alto's POS and inventory system does the math for you. Clean records, accurate hours, simple time tracking made easy.